welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for everyone but often overlooked: financial literacy. So, what exactly is financial literacy? Simply put, it's the ability to understand and use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. But why is this important? First, financial literacy helps you make informed decisions. Whether you're deciding to take out a loan, invest in the stock market, or save for retirement, understanding the basics can help you make choices that align with your goals. Second, it can save you money. When you understand how interest rates work, you're less likely to fall into debt traps. Knowing how to budget effectively can also help you avoid unnecessary expenses and build a healthy savings account. Third, financial literacy can reduce stress. Money is one of the leading causes of stress for many people. By understanding how to manage your finances, you can reduce this stress and focus on other important aspects of your life. Now, let's talk about a few key areas of financial literacy. Budgeting. This is the foundation of financial health. A good budget helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you live within your means. Saving and investing. Knowing the difference between saving and investing is crucial. Saving is for short-term goals and emergencies, while investing is for long-term growth. Debt management. Understanding how to manage debt, from credit cards to student loans, is essential. This includes knowing the difference between good debt and bad debt. Retirement planning. It's never too early to start planning for retirement. Understanding retirement accounts and the power of compound interest can help you build a secure future. Insurance. Having the right insurance can protect you from financial disasters. This includes health insurance, auto insurance, and even life insurance. So, how can you improve your financial literacy? Start by educating yourself. There are plenty of resources available, from books and online courses to financial advisors. Take the time to learn and apply what you've learned to your personal finances. Remember, financial literacy is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. By taking control of your financial future, you can achieve your goals and live a more secure and fulfilling life. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.